Okay, so good morning and welcome to day 2 of our Dubrovnik travel vlog. Today we're starting off by doing some work this morning. We're probably going to be doing sort of 4 hours work, and then we're going to head off into Dubrovnik Old Town, where I'm going to try to follow some of the self-guided interactive Game of Thrones tour, the walking tour, see if we can sort of recognise some of the places from the show, and if we do, then I'll be showing you, but obviously we'll take you around anyway for that. But yeah, see you soon. Okay, so we didn't get out as early as we were first hoping. It's now 4:30, but I edited yesterday's video. I've done a few hours work or so. But yeah, we're gonna go out. We're gonna go down to Dubrovnik Old City again to see whether or not we can find some sort of Game of Thrones map, maybe of images to show what was filmed in that place, so I can show you guys and also have a little look myself. Let's see how we go. Okay, so we just bought tickets for the wall tour to walk around the walls of the old city. We're going to have a look to see what we can see, and obviously we'll have a little talk about what we find and sort of how it relates. Okay, so a lot of these shots I'm trying to show you the image that I've got on my phone that correlates. It's not necessarily the best quality, but I'm trying my best. As I go around and film random spots, if you recognise one, pinpoint in the comments exactly what time it was and tell me where you think it was, and we'll have a look. Exactly the same. It's exactly the same. actually relatively strong. Tastes more like alcohol than anything else. Everywhere in the world you go, you've got kids kicking balls at walls. Shame, 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 shame. Hello? Hello, cuties. How are you? Oh, it's a nice warm spot here, isn't it? Are you okay? You having fun today? Are you all just having a nap and looking at me as if to say fuck off? Yeah, you're probably right. Garlic naan bread, saffron rice, chana masala, and aloo gobi. It looks incredible. Hello, hello little gecko. Righto, so we had a really nice Indian meal. We saw some random drumming. Just been to the area, I think it might be in Blackwater Bay or somewhere like that in Game of Thrones, which was awesome. Had a little walk along there. And now we're just waiting for an Uber and then we're heading back to the apartment for the evening. We've both got a drink. I got a local beer, which I've confirmed is vegan, and Bethan's also got a wine. So we'll head back, have a look at that, and yeah, we'll see you soon. I'm not pouring this very well. Okay, so we've watched some Netflix. We just watched some more Dear White People tonight. We seem to be binging this series a little bit. But now we're just going to brush our teeth, get ourselves together and just hit the sack. So don't forget to look after yourself and our beautiful planet. See you next time.